To make a savings account on Barclays in 2025, start by visiting the Barclays website or mobile app. Click on the Open an Account button and select Savings Account from the options. You will be asked to choose the type of savings account you want to open, such as a fixed-rate bond or an instant access savings account. Next, you will need to provide some personal details, including your name, address, date of birth, and contact information. You will also need to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driving license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once you have provided all the necessary information, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the account. This includes the interest rate, any fees or charges, and the rules for withdrawing and depositing money. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, you will be able to fund your new savings account. You can do this by transferring money from an existing Barclays account, or by setting up a direct debit from another bank account. The minimum deposit required to open a savings account on Barclays varies depending on the type of account, but it is typically around £1 to £100. It is also important to note that Barclays offers a range of savings accounts with different features and benefits. For example, some accounts offer higher interest rates for larger deposits, while others offer more flexible withdrawal options. It is a good idea to compare the different accounts and choose the one that best suits your needs. In addition to opening a savings account online or through the mobile app, you can also visit a Barclays branch in person. The staff will be able to guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. They can also provide more information about the different types of savings accounts available and help you choose the best one for you. Overall, making a savings account on Barclays in 2025 is a straightforward process that can be completed online, through the mobile app, or in person at a branch. By following these steps and choosing the right account for your needs, you can start saving money and earning interest on your deposits.